Hello everyone. Today we are going to make very easy and on budget recipe, and that is tomato and basil soup. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi, this is Fariha and you are watching Faro in the Kitchen. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Before I start the main recipe, I would like to tell you that here in the description box there are all the links which you need. It includes the link related to written recipe, that's the link of my website. Then if you need any help, so for Urdu viewers I'm sharing Facebook group link and Facebook page link, and for English viewers I'm sharing Instagram link. So you can contact me there, and if you need any help you can also comment under this video. Okay, so before you will start making actual tomato soup, I would like you to know that you should have chicken stock, which is also called murgi ki yakhni. You have to make murgi ki yakhni or chicken stock before you are making the tomato soup, because that's the main ingredient. Okay, so let's start with the steps. Step number 1, make tomato puree. And here is how we make tomato puree. In a small pan, take 4 tomatoes. Add fresh basil leaves into it. Pour 1/8 cup of water. Cover the container and leave it at low heat for about 25 to 30 minutes. After 25 to 30 minutes, you will see that the tomatoes are quite tender. To make the tomato puree, blend the tomatoes in the electric blender. Although the two main ingredients of the soup are tomato and basil, but the secret ingredient of the soup is garlic. Garlic is the main ingredient which enhances the flavor of the soup. So do not forget to put crushed garlic. Do not skip this step. Heat oil in a small pan. Add thinly chopped onions. Cook for around 2 to 3 minutes or till the onions change the color. Add garlic and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Once the garlic changes its color, add 1 teaspoon of white flour. Cook for 1.5 minutes. Now add chicken stock and keep stirring while you are adding chicken stock. Now it's time to add seasoning. Add salt, pepper, tomato ketchup and sugar. Now stir the soup and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes till it starts simmering. Once it starts simmering, it's time to add tomato puree. Now cook and stir for 1 to 2 minutes. Chop 4 to 5 fresh basil leaves and add in your soup. Now add some more chicken stock. Add half teaspoon of soya sauce and mix well. Cover and leave for around 5 minutes. Remove the lid after 5 minutes. Cook and stir for another 1 to 2 minutes. Your tomato basil soup is ready now. Serve hot with croutons or garlic bread and enjoy. So the soup is ready and you can serve it hot with croutons or garlic bread or simple bread or anything you like. You can also serve with the sandwiches. And don't forget to tell me under the comments that if you like the photography of this soup or not. Thank you so much for watching.